I would like to walk you through the platform that has gone live, and there are already two courses that have got started. So, the first course that has got started is the math crash course for 10th grade, CBSE. And in this, some of the features that are available are the live sessions. We'll be having three live sessions every week, and those are mainly on Saturdays, Sundays, and Wednesdays. So Saturdays and Sundays we'll be having session for 1.5 hours, and Wednesdays we'll be having it for 1 hour. Of course, we can still have it a little beyond 1 hour if time permits, but for Wednesdays we'll be having it for 1 hour. And just to have a look at the schedule, you can just go down and click on the roadmap for 10th grade. Once you click on this PDF file, this will have all the details as to when we have what session and what is the topic that is going to be covered. So here, 3rd of December, Saturday. So we have it from 7 to 8:30 p.m. and we are going to be discussing about real numbers. So every topic we'll be having it for at least 2 days. So real numbers and polynomials will be again for 2 days, linear equations again for 2 days, so on and so forth. When we start off with this topic, the first day, we would take at least around 10 to 15 minutes, not more than that. In these first 10-15 minutes, we'll be discussing and understanding the clarity. We'll be discussing about the concepts. So, in case some of you still have some doubts about any of those concepts, we'll be taking the first 15 minutes just to clarify that. And if everybody is absolutely fine with the concepts, it's just that you need more of problem solving techniques that you need to understand or learn, we can straight away jump into problem solving, right? So that is how we'll be following all of the topics that we have for 10th grade. And uh, and once we are done with this, we also have the weekly test assessment. So every week I would be publishing or uploading three test papers. Based on your convenience, take them, and each of the test papers will be around 30 minutes to 1 hour. So mostly it will be 1 hour, because if you have got 10 problems or 10 or 20 problems, it could take maybe a little more than that. And you will have to complete them in one go. All right. Then, apart from the weekly test assessment, we will also be having three one-to-one sessions. And for any questions or doubts that you might have, you can probably list them down. And when we have our one-to-one sessions, you can get them clarified. All right. We also have a private network. So in this private network, apart from me, you can also take support and help and guidance from your fellow students in this course. So you can just uh, you know message your question in the window, and everybody else in the course, in this batch, will have access to it. So any one of them who has an idea as to how to solve that problem is most welcome to solve that problem and help you out. Well, if with all these things you still feel we need a few more doubt clearing sessions, maybe there are one or two topics, one or two subjects or chapters that are more complex, and maybe two sessions are not enough, we can have an additional session. So that is on case to case basis. Depending upon the topic, we can have that as well. So that is something which we will, based on the requirement of the team, we can have separate sessions arranged. And it is not mandatory for everyone, but those who feel they need to get more clarity on those particular topics can join those sessions. There is also going to be pre-examination support, where from mid-January onwards, I will also be available. I will be available live on the Zoom, uh, and anybody has any doubts or questions can join into that Zoom meeting and ping me or connect with me straight away and get those doubts clarified. So that is also there. I would be available till early in the morning next day, 1 a.m. And if you feel you are comfortable with the concepts, it's just that you need some practice, then there is another course which is also available for you. Probably you can take up this course instead of the other one, where in this course you will be having access to test papers only. So you can every week I'll be publishing three test papers, and it'll be a time based test paper. So you'll be having 1 hour to solve 10 or 15 problems. So that will increase your speed, and you'll also get to see where you stand as far as your concepts are concerned, and also your speed is concerned. So if it is just a practice, then I think this is the course for you, right? And this is the roadmap that we have for each of the topics, right? So all those details you can get in the description below. I would be sharing the link of both these courses in the description below this video. You can just access them, and you can just have a look at it and just see which one is best suited for you. But if you still have questions and you want to connect one to one with me to understand what should be the ideal course, or if you have any other questions, I will also be sharing with you my calendar, wherein you can um, book my calendar based on the dates available here. So, for example, if you want to have a meeting scheduled with me on say Sunday 27th, you can click on this particular date, and then these are the time slots available. So, if you want to have a connect at say 8:30 a.m., click on this, click on the confirm button, and then write your name and email address and also the location, and then you can just give a one or two sentences as to what exactly you want to discuss in the meeting, so that I am also prepared, and your time is also saved. And this is mainly to discuss if you have some questions about the course curriculum, and or you want to also discuss about anything else about your child for the 10th grade. We can connect over here and discuss on the same. Even if your child is in 8th or 9th standard, you can still connect with me. You can still book my calendar, and we can see if I do have bandwidth. I will definitely try to schedule classes for 8th and 9th standard students as well, right? So that is all I have as far as this video is concerned, where I just wanted to share with you uh, the two courses that have gone live. Whoever is interested can enroll in these courses, and for more doubts and clarification, you can book my calendar, the link to which is also going to be shared in the description below this video, and we can accordingly connect. All right, that's all I have in this video. Have a great day. See you again. Bye.